Yeah, what's up, man? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, friends. Now we got another video on a strategy based on Bollinger Bands, and you know, gonna take it so fast and so easy and so cool. I'm not gonna waste any time on this. Alright? If you're new to this channel, I believe you should click the subscribe button and click the bell notification. Okay, because all we do on this channel is we drop strategies. Alright, now let's go and build this thing. I don't want to waste the time. I'm gonna go grab my whatever it's called, my candles. I wanna use my candles right here. Gonna build this so fast. Alright, this is my candle. And now, well, you can use Issue if you like. Let me quickly upload let me upload Issue. Maybe that's okay for you guys. Where is it? I don't want to waste time. Alright, put it on it. That's cool, pretty cool. Now we're gonna go do something about we upload a Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band I'm gonna use here is 50 period with deviation number 2. As you can see on the settings, I put it in. Alright, great. Nothing to waste time about. We're building it, we're progressing. Now we will need a support resistance. There's a reason for this. Alright, but before that, let's go get this tool. Now, this tool is so important because this is what is gonna make this strategy work. This is the main engine of this strategy. We got a high low. Okay, now let's make it a green and let's make this a red. Oh, we got a high low. Good. This is the engine of this strategy. Okay, just wait and see what happens. Now let's get a moving average 200. We call it yellow moving average, as you can see. Okay, now look at it, listen. What do we need again? Now grab our support resistance. Let's get the support resistance of period number 4, or maybe 4 is not good. Support resistance period number, let's say 10. Maybe 10 is not good, I don't know, but we want something that is good. If 10 is not good, we change the setting. No, 10 is not good. Alright, let me zoom it so I can see it properly, because at the end we're gonna zoom it. Okay, now support resistance indicator list. Okay, support resistance, let's say we're gonna use maybe 20 or whatever. We just, let me show you, I will tell you why this is happening. Or let's say we gotta use 50. Okay, let's use 50 for, I don't want to procrastinate. Or 50. Okay, man, 50 is good. Great, this is what we need. Now I'm gonna explain to you what is going on right here. Alright, now what we want to identify with this strategy is to identify the flat of Bollinger Band. Alright, the flat of Bollinger Band. As you can see on the screen, this is the flat of Bollinger Band. Okay, this Bollinger Band is flat. It came all the way from somewhere here. Okay, it came all the way here, then it became flat. Now what is going to happen inside this flat? What do we want to do? So what we want to do inside this flat is that, you see, we want to trade this high, okay, high low. Do you see it? Okay, what happens here is that every time the price is now coming to touch the support resistance zone, this one that I'm touching right here, this blue one, now we're gonna place a sell. Now the idea of placing a sell, okay, when the stop loss is going to be above this one, the previous high, and then the take profit is going to be this low, the low here. Okay, as you can see, we got it from here. Okay, we get out from here. Okay, now look, this one touching the support resistance, we get a buy from here, we get out from here. Okay, now this support resistance, the way it is okay, but The only thing that's gonna make this strategy a very cool one, okay, I will show you right now. Okay, because we want to be able to take this trade from this top and this bottom. If we want to do that, I have a wood. This is my wood, which has a lot. This wood has a lot. When I put it here, I say, okay, now, if I take a trade from here, when I get a lot from this wood, and I get out here, then I take a buy from here, I get out here. That's still okay. That's another way. Okay, that's another way, but that's so dangerous. But the best is, now good, you identify the flat of the Bollinger Band, the price hit this resistance, you take that order, you get out this low, you're done for the day. This is all about holding a trade, okay, within few hours of the day you are done. And now when it touches this zone right here, okay, you get it. Now you get out right here. You are done for the day. You're done for the day. Okay, don't worry about this noise. Okay, my system is gonna be making noise now. When do you exit this strategy? When do you go away from this strategy? Okay, because you know that this will never last. Okay, because the Bollinger Band will tear. It will separate. It will tear. Now, what happens is that you see this yellow MA. This is the 200 MA that is coming up. Okay, this 200 MA is coming up. Now, when this 200 MA, when it's touching this support line, okay, or when it's touching this this red low, look, I tell you, that is the end of this strategy. Or when the candlesticks now, let's say this candlesticks, okay, the real thing I see about it is that when the price has come below this yellow 200 MA, that is the end of this strategy. Because what happens then is that the price will now trend and trend and trend. Okay, when the candle jump below this 200, that is the end of this strategy. Okay, it's a very simple strategy. Okay, it can just help you to hold the trade within a few period of hours in a day, and you're done. That's if you want to trade if you want to just trade for a few hours in a day and you are done, this is a strategy for you. You understand? Now you are not going to get married to only one pair when you're using this type of strategy. Okay, only one pair is not enough for you. No, how do you choose the pair then? How do you find a pair that, okay, maybe Bollinger Band is flat, you want to start trading? How do you find it? You understand? Now, that one I will make another video about it next time. You understand? There's something that can help you to find it, so that you will not get married to only one pair and you know, waiting when Bollinger Band have teared and separated from this level, that this strategy does not work anymore because the price is gonna go trend. You will be waiting. Okay, but I will make another video about that, and you stay tuned for that. Okay, I will show you a tool that will show you about the Bollinger Band flat. Okay, so I think this video helps a lot. You know, thank you very much, and I will post the link of this support resistance tool under this video, so in case you like it, you get it. Thank you and bye bye.